Hello guys, this is Susan from Click OK Donate. Okay, today I got two pair of shoes. You can check Nike Air free of guard. One black one and the green color one. Okay, we can check this black color first. You can check this side. You can check have a plastic and leather. You can check best leather. And the toe very soft, can check very soft. And the middle sole very thin, so good. And another side we can check have a hand tag. You can check the detail. This part is the air free of guard. Turn it over, we can check have a air swoosh, Nike swoosh. You can check. Very good. You can check really thick, very thick, really good. This side very special. Okay, and then the shoes back. You can check have a black zipper. Okay, and the middle sole have a Nike Air, Nike and Nike logo, and the middle sole have a free of guard. You can check. Like this side, have an air free of guard, have some number. Nike logo with the black color. Okay, the button can check very clean and have so many lines. It is very good for running. And we can check this seesaw part, and inside have a Nike logo with the black color. You can check. Okay, so good. And the sole is very soft. It is the best quality. Okay, we can check the inside. Wait a moment. You can check the inside. We can check. You can check inside materials. Very soft. Okay, and you can got your size if you open this pair of shoes. Okay, you can check air and the free of guard inside. Okay, and the list. Wait a moment, you can check men's size US 9.5. Okay, women's size is 11 US 11. Okay, and inside have so many air hole. You can check, and you can touch with your finger. Very soft. Can check really soft. And inside can check the suspension. Okay, you can check it is the black color, have so many dots. You can check. And this part is the sun number, and this is the size label. You can check have a Nike logo and have official site US 9.5. You can check. Okay, so good. It's very good. Okay, turn it over. You can check it is the green color, and this part have some number. Very good. Okay, you can check the inside. With the black stitching inside. Very nice this stitching. Inside very clean. Okay, and we can check the green color one. Okay, it is leather, best quality. Okay, really good. And the plastic. Okay, air and the free of guard, and the seawalls, middle sole, and the shoes back have a silver zipper. You can check this side. You can check the free of guard, and another side you can check the Nike. Okay, so good. And then you can check the size. Air free of guard and the size. Men 9.5. Woman is US 11. And inside the thing have so many air hole. And the white stitching, very regular. Okay. And then you can check this pair of shoes, the black one, the toe. Okay, like this part, you can check this is swatch part. Have a 3M. We can take the flash picture. You can check. Okay, you can check the black one, the toe. Oh, wait a moment. Black one, the toe. Have a 3M, very special. Okay, and then you can check have a shoes tips, have a see-through coloring, and the black one and the green one. And we can check the tip, have an air free of guard in the list tip. On the list tip, you can check. So good. Okay, the then have a men's sockers. Okay, and have a two piece of the shoelaces. You can check it is the black one, and have a green one. And then have a dust bag. You can check black dust bag. Middle have a air swatch. Turn it over. This dust bag have air free of guard. You can check. Really big this dust bag. Okay, you can check. Extra two pairs shoelaces, green one and the black one. Really good materials. Okay, really soft. Okay, and then we can check the soup box. You can check it is the orange soup box. The middle have a free of guard. You can check. Okay, and this side have size front of the list soup box. You can check. Nike Air free of guard one. Official side 9.5. Very good. Open it, you can check the inside. Okay. Have a silver dust bag and orange juice paper. Really good. Okay. If you want to buy these two pair of shoes, you can click on my website. Okay. Guys can click on my website. Click OK, donate. Okay. Hope guys alright. Thanks for watching. See you in this video. Bye.